Hi, I'm Justin with Blender Frenzy, back at you with a really quick life update. I know I haven't posted anything in a while, and that is because there's been some family emergencies, several of them in the past 1 or 2 months, and even in the past 6 months, there's just been a lot of uh, family stuff, doctor's visits and deaths in the family and things like that. So um, everyone, for the most part, is okay now. Obviously, we've had some older family members pass away, and had to deal with that. And yes, I'm okay. It's been all right. But then more immediate family has been sick and then in the hospital quite a bit. So I haven't had a chance to make any sort of content. I have so many more tutorials in the works lined up, and I am in a place where I actually hopefully am going to be able to pump a lot more out, a lot more free stuff and a lot more stuff on my members, for my members on blenderfrenzy.com. So if you want to go there and show your support, you can do that. But just wanted to give you a quick update as to why you haven't seen anything and why I've been missing and am I coming back. Yes, everything is still planned as I had before, but I just had to take a break because just putting out fires and making sure family is okay, which family always comes first. So, but right now, everything is stable for the most part, and I am going to be doing some traveling in about a month, but even then, I'm still going to try to use my travel times to maybe come up with some good tutorials for Blender. So hopefully, but just thank you for your patience. And if you're still around, that is, if you're still around and you're still watching this and you still care about Blender Frenzy, my teeny little channel, then yeah, that's why you haven't seen me. And yes, you can expect to see more of me, hopefully very, very soon. So thank you for all your support. Thank you for hanging in there, and stay tuned, and you'll see me in the next one.